Yes, YouTube, welcome back again. New video. Today it's Sunday. It's 10 o'clock New York time in the morning. And as you guys can see, BTC made a crazy drop. You know, if you followed my signal, if you were still bullish on BTC, now you actually can see that we're bearish again, right? But there's something special because, yeah, we retraced a very important support level, and I want to see if this thing is respected or not. If it if it is respected, we're going back to the upside. Hopefully, we break this resistance level at what was it again? Somewhere around, let's say 74K. So yeah, actually, as you guys could see, if you watch my previous video, I predicted that the price was coming down, right? And we actually did come down. So if you went short, you could have made yeah, crazy gains like minus 7%. So depends on which leverage you trade. You know, one thing I've noticed also is I did some research on YouTube and I saw some TA from some guys. You know, no offense, but you have to just be careful with just following up trades and strategies from guys. You know, because I noticed that a lot of people, traders, they trade support and resistance, right? So what they do is they draw lines and then they say, yeah, this is a bullish uptrend, right? Of course it is. Yeah, because we're making higher lows here and then yeah, they expecting price to bounce up again, you know, but yeah, how can I explain you guys this? You know, this it to be honest, I wanted to make a video to show you guys the most easiest strategy there is to make profits. But to be honest, it is not easy, and there is no easy strategy. You know, to be honest, trading is very difficult, and it takes a lot of consistency and discipline, and yeah, what can I say? It takes a lot to actually become profitable, right? If there was an easy and and basic beginner strategy, then the whole world was trading, right? And the whole thing about trading and the whole thing about stock markets and cryptocurrency is to wreck you. You know, they just want to rob you from your money, and you are playing against the smartest people in the world. You know, that's a fact. So you know, I wanted to make a video to show you guys a basic strategy which can make you profits. But to be honest, you know, if I give you a strategy, then I will do it for my YouTube videos. And let me do this. You know, if I gave you guys a strategy, yeah, then I would only do it for my views on YouTube, right? And I don't want you guys to get wrecked and losing money. So to be honest, there is no basic strategy, right? What you have to learn is to not use too much indicators. You know, a lot of beginners and a lot of people who want to enter the markets and to want to learn trading, I want to make money with trading, they use all these indicators, right? And it's not necessary. The only indicators I use is, to be honest, is Fibonacci and the RSI, right? And if you really want to level up, you just have to take some courses and do learn things. You know, if it was so easy and you just learn a strategy from a YouTube video and you could make thousands of dollars with it, I can tell you that's not possible, you know. And I'm here for you guys to tell you the truth. I'm not here for the most YouTube views, you know, because I want to make a difference here in this YouTube space, right? And there are two other guys who learned me the real deal. I met them also on YouTube, but they didn't sell me basic strategies. They sold me the real deal. They sold me how to become a better person on a daily basis. You know, for example, fear and greed are your biggest enemies in trading. you know. So yeah, I'm actually here to tell you guys that you have to be careful and that you have to watch your money and that you have to actually take lessons and do courses and do research. And all the books are telling you exactly what they want you to tell you. You know, you have to remember that 80% of all books and courses and things, they are written by market makers. So you will put your stop loss exactly where they want you to put your stop loss, and they will grab liquidity. You know, they wreck you. So to be honest, you know, it's possible to become profitable in trading and it's possible to become a pro, but it took me 6 years. And I'm not saying that you will have to practice 6 years, because the last 2 years were like going this for me, because I met the right people who telling me the truth about trading, right? Because like 90%, they don't tell you the truth, you know, they only do it for the views and things. And again, no offense to other traders, but just be careful, you know, especially when you're a beginner, you know. One of the best things, one of the best advices I can give you is that um, you just have to search for a nice trading group, you know, and find the right people with the right mindset who are always there, you know. And yeah, that's a little bit the thing, you know. I was thinking to create a video about the basic strategies and things, but you know, the best thing is to do is just to 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 connect with a very nice and honest group, you know, with honest people who are not trading for commission, who are not trading or making videos for commission or for YouTube videos, you know. it's it's difficult, I can tell you that, you know, and that's why it took me it took me 6 years to become where I am now, right? And the last 2 years were flying and changed my whole life, because you know, I moved to another country, I left my own country, you know. I did a 9 to 5 job, but yeah, you know, my trading went very good. Sorry for my language, I'm from the Netherlands, you know. I do this in English because I want to reach out to as much people as possible, right? But yeah, again, you know, the truth is it's not easy. You know, it's possible, but you have to meet the right people and the right mentors. And you know, I'm not saying that you have to jump into my group or to do my mentorship or to go in my Signal group, but just be careful with what you do, and you know, just try to find a model, something that repeats constantly in the chart. Try to find that so you can recognize this pattern and try to master this model with a demo account or with paper trading. You know, that's the road you have to do. It's the hard road, but that's the only road, you know. Just stop following these basic things, you know. For example, if you I watched this video and you know, I can tell I'm a pro trader, you know. I don't want to put myself on a higher level than everybody else, but if I hear what they're saying, it's not true, you know. And then yeah, they only link you to their affiliate links, and then you start trading, you lose, and they get commission, and they can keep doing what they're doing. That's the dark side of this whole story. So again, guys, you know, careful, you know, what you're doing. So as that said, you know, let me give you some TA about the last week, because I was predicting this swing low, right? As you guys can see now, we're watching at the daily again. And one thing is very interesting about this daily chart is that we reached the 786. You know, as I predicted before, we bounced on 68K. So what I can show you guys is that we are on this 786. So we still have 9 hours 45 to close this candle above the 786. If we do not, we go way more to the downside. You know, for example, there's also a fair value gap here on the daily. So it's possible that we dip into this liquidity pool 64.3k. Watch my previous video. I was predicting this giant dip. So again, it's possible that we will come to this fair value gap. Easy as that, you know. And it's also the 786. So yeah, it's double confirmation that we will see more downside for BTC. You know, again, I want to make a difference here on YouTube. You know, I don't want to make, I don't need to make money on you guys. I just want to learn you the real deal. And I want you to prevent you for the shit I've been through. Because I see a lot of people, they're selling crap, you know. And if you don't know, if you don't understand how it works, then you will believe everything, right? Because I see this guy's having more than 150,000 views, you know, and these are all people who are searching for these strategies, you know. So just be careful, you know, and find a model, get familiar with something, and start with demo trading. Test your model on a daily basis, you know. And there are some good mentors in this environment here, you know. If you want to connect with good mentors, yeah, if you really if you can invest something in education, right, then I can connect you with some real good guys who are teaching you the real deal. But you have to remember that you will face a lot of thick walls on personal level, because I don't want to scare you, but that's the truth about trading, you know. It's not only that you will start making profits when you become a pro, it's also that you will become a better person for all people around you, you know. And if you really go to the darkness, you will notice that you're very alone, and that's where God comes in, you know. So again, this is the truth about trading, you know. There's no beginner strategy, you know. The only beginner strategy is that you need to find a good group with like-minded people. You need to find the right mentor, and the right mentor, very important, and just go for it, you know, and make mistakes, because from mistakes you're learning. But you can rather make mistakes with demo money than actually real money, you know. So you know, this video was a little bit different than other videos, you know, but just stay connected and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, like it, you know, because I want to reach out to more people as possible, right? And yeah, the thing is you just have to be patient and work hard for it, you know. There's no easy way, there's no beginner strategy, you know. Just go for it. Thanks for watching. Keep following my account, my YouTube account, my channel, and I will post some real trading videos as I did before. You know, I'm not hiding anything. I'm telling you everything. You know, and still, if I tell you everything, you still need some guidance, right? So remember that, because I also needed guidance, and now I'm able to help other people. So thanks again for watching, and stay tuned, because I will post some new videos for next week also, because I see more downside for BTC still. I'm aiming for 64.3k to eventually fly back up to, yeah, wherever we want to fly, right? We first need to break 74k. So as that said, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay honest, and God bless. See you later.
time. Think about me.